Hello, it's part 2. We didn't have to wait too long. Right, here's plastic then of the Airfix B.XVI 16 Mosquito. Excuse me while I lean to check. Yes, B.16 bomber version of the multi-role gold Mosquito from World War II. So here's the clear parts. I won't take them out of the bag, but you can see they've got the see that? Oh, I will take them out of the bag. Come on, let's be generous, all right? There we are. There's the clear parts. Good quality, I think. Some of them are naturally round, so you get a bit of lens in. These are the two wingtips, which are the clear wheel, clear part for the port and starboard navigation lights, and there's the bombing nose. Yep. So that's the clear parts. As you can see underneath, there's the couple of sprues they provide us with from Airfix in one single bag, all the sprues together, and that's sort of plastic. Yeah. You've got a lot of extra detail on here compared to the previous tooling. Bit of support structures there. Obviously, many may know that the Mosquito was made out of wood, so there's not the rivets that you get on other aircraft, but there are panel lines obviously for different surfaces. There's no articulation for the ailerons or the elevators, but you do get a rudder which may be posable. Okay, with the main wings. Inside you got the various cockpit parts, the steering wheel, the yoke. There's two different types of tail wheel for up and down, and there's various radios. There's the rudders, pedals, which you will probably never see, but the inside's there. Here's the back of the control panel, so actually see the instruments coming out the back of it. Maybe if you're super detailed you can work with that. There's the hatch at the bottom, you can quite see that. Oh, we're very blurry today, aren't we? It's a hatch shape anyway, because in this version they come in through the underside of the cockpit. These are two sides of the bomb position. This is the cockpit entry door with a window in it. Central fuel tanks go underneath where the bombs are. Not sure what these hoops are, but they sure they're necessary. These are the bomb doors if you want the bombs shut. Bomb doors open, bombs, and the various parts of the internal of the, there we are, I see it better, internals of the bomb area, bomb bay. Three bladed propellers with the wider end, tanks for the not sure if they're oil tanks or whatever they are for inside the undercarriage. Here's the main undercarriage here. The two-part, which I showed you, two-part exhaust nozzles, and the underside intakes there, cooling intakes probably you call them. Another part for the exhausts. Main seat, no, it's not the main seat, that's in fact the mudguard for the wheels. See the mudguard? That's what I thought it was the seat. These are just a mask part, but these are the actual closed undercarriage parts. These are open undercarriage doors, and the tyres themselves have got tread and their weight on wheels, so that's good. And a similar one for that other side as well. You've got the fuel tanks as well, and the same thing on that side. Propeller boss, masking part, and they're the wheels. And the main fuselage, you've got the the nacelles for the engines, the central bomb bay area, and the two sides of the fuselage, which go together quite nicely. Alright, so there we are. Nothing much else to show apart from that. A lot of parts, and could go together nicely. And just as a final word, that's the new tooling pretty much of the Mosquito, and this is the old tooling that I made a couple of years ago in the Swedish version with the radome and 4-blade propellers. So hopefully the difference will be visible when I put it together. But there we are, that's how it was, and this is the start of what it will become. Thank you for watching, and bye bye.